In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. A table of contents is a great way to organize a longer document and help readers jump quickly to the section they need. It's especially useful for reports, manuals, school projects, and any document with multiple headings. In Google Docs, creating one is very simple, and once you know where to find the option, the whole process only takes a moment. To begin, place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. In most cases, this will be near the beginning of the document, usually after the title and before the main body of content. Choosing the right location matters, because this is where Google Docs will insert the table of contents for your readers to use. Once your cursor is in the correct spot, go to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains a variety of items you can add to your document, and it's where you'll find the tools needed for this setup. After clicking Insert, look for Page Elements. This section groups together features that affect the structure and navigation of your document. When you open it, you'll see the option for Table of Contents. Select Table of Contents to view the available styles. Google Docs gives you two common formatting choices, and the one you pick depends on how the document will be used. One option includes page numbers, which is ideal if the document will be printed or shared as a PDF, where page references are important. The other option uses blue links, which is perfect for digital documents because readers can click directly on a section and jump to it instantly. Choose the style that best fits your document. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will insert the table of contents into the spot where your cursor was placed. That's all it takes to add one. As a quick tip, a table of contents works best when your document already uses proper heading styles for section titles and subheadings. That way, Google Docs can recognize the structure of the document and display it clearly. If your headings are organized well, your table of contents will also look clean and professional. And that's how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. It's a simple feature, but it can make your documents much easier to read, navigate, and present professionally.